Hi, I'm Loredana Nicolae, and together with our partners at HubSpot, I'm happy to present to you some COVID benchmarks that I hope are going to motivate you to not just sit and see how this crisis is going to play out, but actually be part of the game. As you see, there's big gains to make right now. Business is back, people. We are no longer in a crisis. It's time to act. If you haven't started acting already, it's time that you do. So as you see, even the stock exchange, which is one of the best metrics that show us how the industry and the business in general is doing, is at very healthy benchmarks, even better than pre-COVID data, right? So if you look, for example, a different industry, construction is 24% above the previous COVID benchmark. Computer software is 14%, manufacturing 13%, and so on. Even in affected areas like human resource, entertainment, and travel, the ones that were able to provide digital experience, to engage with their customers and were ready for the digital experience, has had a much better success. Use all the data and all of the tools available and do act, right? Do not wait. Don't sit on the lines, because this is the time that you can grow your business. This is the time you need to push and to develop. Only the ones that are putting up the effort are going to have significant gains this quarter. So if you're ready to join us and if you're ready to dedicate the effort, we've put together an amazing B2B Prospecting Academy. This is a very intense 8-week program where we are going to make sure that you succeed in your lead generation efforts. It's a limited time offer. I look forward to seeing you there, to working side by side with you. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you. Bye.